much faster through that section. Today we have a KX 450X. We also have a Yamaha YZ250. We have a certified wrapper in the house today, Mr. Christian. He's going to be showing us how to install the graphic kits.
As of right now, there's 3 designs done. There's MX1, MX2, MX3 available for 6 brands, which is Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki, Husqvarna, and KTM, all the way ranging from the years 1999 to current. So as soon as that goes live on the website, you'll be able to go pick one of these designs. This is a full custom design for Blake on holographic chrome material. And then we'll also be showing you some of just the standard gloss options here in just a little bit. But this is a printable holographic chrome material. It is a 21 mil thick substance material, which is the industry's leading motocross material, backed by Yamaha and all the major factory teams. The durability is outstanding. The tack of it is going to adhere to the plastics properly, and you're not going to have any issues with your dirt bike graphics. So the first thing you want to do when installing your Team MSC dirt bike graphic kit, or even your ATV graphic kit or side-by-side kit, is prep your machine. You want to have it really clean. Take some alcohol in just a spray bottle, spray it on all your plastics, and you want to get all the oils and contaminations, leftover adhesive, whatever it may be on your machine. You can use paper towels or a microfiber, whatever you have handy. The main thing is just getting all the oils and contaminations off the machine. Once you got your machine prepped, you've got all your factory decals off, you've got it cleaned, you rubbed it down with alcohol, got all the oils, contaminations off, all that good stuff, you're now ready to start applying your Team MSC graphics kit. Depending on your bike and your make and model, it may be easier for you to take the front number plate off, which is what we're going to do here. And then we have removed the front number plate from the graphics sheet. So now we're going to start applying. So the easiest thing to do when applying graphics is to start from the middle and work your way out. This material can be lifted and repositioned as many times as needed. Take your time and then try to align it up the best you can. Once you've got your number plate tacked down in the middle, always work from the middle out. Is the easiest thing to do. So I'm going to make a line down the middle, and then you can work one side to the other. So without going past that middle line, take your squeegee and work on squeegeeing your graphics out to the side.
As some people that's never done graphics before, you may be cringing at having to peel it off and back on, but don't worry, it's definitely a material that you can do that and reset it. This is some of the best material that you can get right here.
When applying your graphics, just work from the middle out. If you come to the edge of the material down here and it wants to start giving these little fingers, just rub them down with your finger and get them mostly tacked down, and then all you have to do is take a heat gun or a torch or something and give it a little bit of heat, and all of that will relax down.
Yep, those will disappear here shortly.
With it being warm outside like it is, it's actually working. As you see, just with the temperature outside, the vinyl's malleable
just like that.
Enough to, it just makes it disappear.
That's the easiest piece we'll do today. And the key with these graphic kits, guys, is to have patience.
And to take your time. Because there's so many curves on a dirt bike. Like I said, start in the middle, work your way out. And another real big important thing to have when doing any graphics is to take perfection and throw it out the window. These are off-road toys. It's not like wrapping a vehicle. You're gonna have dirt, it's plastics, especially in a used machine. They're never gonna be 100% perfect. So we have a little bit of overhang up here. What you can do is just take a razor blade and just trim up, just to keep your graphics nice on the edge. You don't want any vinyl overhanging because that just allows for dirt and stuff to get behind it. You want a nice clean edge. So just take a razor blade and just ride the edge of the plastic just to give a nice clean edge there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you definitely don't want that much overhang. That just allows for dirts and contaminations to get behind your wrap.
And that's it. The graphics kit is installed. The Team MSC graphics kit. Man, I'm telling you, this is premium stuff. Joe also has it on his bike. It's on the Yamaha Team MSC. So you can customize your graphics kit with us, or you can go on to teammscparts.com and you'll see several different options and color options and designs that you can choose from, and just get those shipped out to you, install them. You can let them sit out in the heat in the sun and let them kind of set in, or you can take and heat set it. Just be careful doing that. And these graphics will hold up to a lot of abuse. Knees rubbing the side here, boots, whatever's going to happen, these are going to hold up to a lot of abuse. Again, this one's fully custom, this one is as well, but it's the same quality and durability in each graphic kit. It's time to race, boys. We'll have some more installation videos for you. We got pictures, different designs for you, all right there at teammscparts.com. I'll have a link down in the description of this video. Make sure you subscribe, because we got a lot of more dirt bike action coming your way with parts, accessories, everything you need. So make sure you stay tuned. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.